As unboxings go, this is a rather substantial one. It's pretty weighty, it's heavy, it's large, but it contains something pretty darn cool. Electric scooters are all the thing, the trend, the buzz. Electric portability, easy to move around, powerful and compact, really something fantastic for the promenade to get you from A to B or anywhere else you just want to have a bit of fun. Welcome to an unboxing of this, the eTWOW GT SL. It's a large, substantial box and it's got a couple of key elements. The big one is here on top. It says GT 504 watt-hour battery. That's substantial. It also has a built-in LCD display. It's lightweight, it's portable, easy to fold up, and it's got a couple of clever tips and tricks which it's got going on here. The other big thing is it's also seriously good value for money. This is affordable. So with that being said, let's cut the seals now, open the packaging, see what comes inside the box, and then spend a bit of time exploring the eTWOW GT SL foldable electric scooter. First thing we're going to want to do here is, well, take this sizable tool to cut the little strapping, and because this isn't a traditional unboxing, it's got a rather sizable scissors here to get us going. Once we've cut the strapping, let's spin the box around. You get these little pull tabs on either side, and that opens up the packaging. With the packaging opened up, you're greeted with first a little box here on the top. This contains your wall sync charge unit. It's the power adapter unit here, specially supplied and rated for this one. It's got a 2.5 amp input with a 2 amp output, IP20 rated, and simply easy to connect to your eTWOW GT SL scooter. You also of course get this user manual contained inside the box, apart from the charge unit. And if we take it out, we see quite nice a eTWOW helmet included in the packaging. Having taken the plastic off, you can see immediately I've gone for the grey one. It's also available in white as well as black. You can see its full construction as well as how easy and compact it is to fold. Just look at the portability. The handlebars fold flat. It's got the built-in braking system, a built-in light, LCD screen, as well as this neat rubber padded deck. It really is a neat, compact construction, but the main thing is so portable, so easy to carry around, so lightweight, yet so powerful. With all that being said, let's, now that we've unboxed it, get it out, spend a bit of time enjoying the eTWOW GT SL electric scooter.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
Having had an incredible ride along the promenade, you can really feel why the eTWOW GT S2 SL scooter is such a fantastic companion. The first thing is this. Look how easily I'm moving it and holding it. It weighs a mere 13 kilograms. It's incredibly compact thanks to a handlebar which folds in. These here, they further unclip and fold away, and it makes it one of the most compact electric scooters on the market. Besides that, 500 watts of power, 700 peak power output, and a bunch of variable modes. Do you want a walk mode, a quicker mode, or up to 35 k's an hour? It's by far and away the fastest in this price range and class of scooter. It's also got a bunch of clever features, including the simple, clever folding mechanism system. One strap back clicks into place, kick it down. You can, of course, unlock and maneuver the handlebar. You've got a foot brake, you've got a hand brake, as well as regenerative braking. You also find, thanks to its non-exposed wiring, the concealed neat decking, the rubber padding, and these solid wheels, punctures are a thing of the past. E2 wheels are a company on a mission to change the face of electric scooters. More compact, lighter weight, more ability, and thanks to its exceptional price point, you can check it out on eScooters SA. A link will be in the description below, as well as splashed on screen now. But really what you're getting here is exceptional value for money. So at the end of the day, it seems the perfect spot, the beautiful location to finish a promenade cruise, and also to really showcase the E2 Wheels S2 GT SL electric scooter. Compact portability at just 13 kilograms in weight, the simple 3-fold position which lets you fold in the handlebars, drop it flat and put it into just about any space you can imagine. Its impressive hill climb ability of up to 25-degree angles, up to 35 kilometers an hour, and these puncture-proof 8-inch solid tires make this one of the most practical, capable, and knockout scooters, particularly at its very affordable price point.
Don't give me this. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.